Today we have some special guests. I have my daughter Lauren, which you met her last week, but I also have Sam. Sam and Allison, my other daughter. They're all on break, and so they came home to visit. Because we don't have enough space, Sarah had to step out this week, but she'll be back again. So today we're gonna have these three make their own arrangements, and it should be fun because they have no idea what they're in for. So we're going to talk briefly about the flowers, and we're also going to talk briefly about them. So and we'll get to know them a little bit more at the end too, after they finish their arrangements. So Lauren, why don't you tell us what we have here? Do you know?
So starting in the far back, we have some eucalyptus. This is our filler plant for the day. Eucalyptus comes in lots of different types, but this is the more circular, leafy.
Yes!
Yeah.
Good job, yeah.
And then here we have a nice pink thing.
Yes, a pink thing. And last time, I didn't know what it was, but I looked it up. I think the name is Veronica. And so at the last arrangement, Sarah and I were like, we have no idea what it is, and it was purple. So I think it comes in, or at least I saw 3 different colors: a white, purple, and then this pink. So today's theme is a little bit white pastel yellows. So this little splash of pink should be interesting. Okay, what else?
Yeah. Okay, so for our main flower this week, we have a chrysanthemum. We've had chrysanthemums the past 2 weeks. This one is definitely the biggest by far. The first week was very tight, small, circular, and then last week was more leafy, kind of like this,
lacy.
But
yeah,
thinner leaves, and then this one is a very full kind of combination of the two.
Yeah, and it almost looks like a dahlia. Sometimes you get mixed up, or it's so compact that it could look like a little pom-pom, like a dahlia pom-pom. But this is really beautiful, so when it opens up, I think it'll be pretty full. Okay, Allison,
Wait, we
Sam.
have one more.
Oh, yes.
Oh
I was going to have them introduce it.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think this is? Dun, dun, dun!
Is it like a... Is
Yeah,
it a daffodil?
Well, oh yes, you got it. You got it. Well, Sarah thought it looked like an asparagus because it kind of looks like an asparagus, but when it opens up, it'll look more like this. Yeah, and I think this color, it's going to be a little different than the full yellow. It might be white with yellow inside, so it will be a surprise when it opens up. Okay, what about those flowers over there, Sam?
Go for it.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I know. So Sarah said that it looked like an alien pod. It's called a ranunculus, and these guys are so beautiful because they've got so many different layers. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They're like a little, like paper flowers. And today we have the white variety and this light pastel yellow. So it should be really fun to see how it turns out. So spring inspired arrangement, and we have 3 vases from the Dollar Tree. So they're all in different shapes, and it's pretty amazing that the Dollar Tree has such variety. So this has, they're all like little curvaceous vases. So anyways, we are ready to go. Do you guys have any questions? No? Okay, we're gonna let them get to it, and we'll be on fast mode, and so you'll see what they create at the very end. We'll see you in a bit. Bye! Yay! They are done! Allison's finishing up with their little touches, but aren't these beautiful? They are so gorgeous. I love how they turned out. What do you think, Lauren? Let's showcase each one.
Okay.
So this is Lauren's, and hers looks so fabulous. What do you guys think? Look at that. I love how this kind of drapes down, so there's a direction and a flow to this arrangement. And then the mums, you've showcased the mums. Really good job.
Thank you.
Do you have anything, did you have this in mind? This,
No.
it just kind of took its own shape?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's really beautiful. And I can just imagine it with a big white dahlia when we get dahlias during the summer. And I have some dahlias that I will be planting probably next month when it gets a little bit warmer. Sam, look at Sam's arrangement. Guys, this is his first, is this your first? His first floral arrangement. And isn't this gorgeous? I think he did a great job. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around to the other side. I think this is a knockout arrangement from all angles. Look at that. I think you have some talent there. Sam is a mechanical engineer, so he has an artistic streak for sure.
Thank you.
Okay, and then this last one here is Allison's. Oops. Let me see if I can get it on. Look at that. This is beautiful, Allison. Do you like it?
It's okay.
What do you mean it's okay? I think it's great. And I'll turn it around to the other side. This arrangement is beautiful from all angles too. I mean, they're all gorgeous. I just love the colors. I love how the pastel light yellow plays against the white, and then the undertones of the eucalyptus. It just all balances really well. As they were making it, I was watching, and I was telling them that you can't really go wrong with flowers because the colors, when you put them all together, it just works. So, do you guys have anything to say about your overall floral experience?
It'll be interesting to see when the rest of these bloom in the den.
Yeah, definitely, because they didn't bloom entirely. I didn't put them in water early enough. We just got the flowers today, so we just kind of put this video together at the last minute. How about you, Lauren? Nothing?
Nothing to say.
They're just a very quiet bunch, I guess. Allison, do you have anything to say?
This was fun.
This was fun. Would you do it again?
Maybe.
Maybe. I think you have a talent there. She's done several other floral arrangements with me, and I would say that she's getting more relaxed in doing this. At first, the first time, you were snipping everything from the top to make it work. But this time, you just went with the flow. So good job. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for stopping by. We really appreciate you coming. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And until next time, put some color into your life. Bye!